Hello friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's the second of the month, so that means it's time for a sheetload of cards. If you're new to my channel or new to Sheetload, it is a monthly printable put out by Call Me Crafty Al on her channel that gives you a sketch, all the supplies you need, how many cards it yields, and a cutting guide so you can make your own sheetload of cards. This month it yields 12 cards, uses 3 12 by 12 pattern papers, and then the card stocks. It's a super fun sketch with these triangles that were super easy to create, and it was just another great one. But then again, like some other friends have said, has there been a bad sheetload? I don't think so. So in the description box below is a link to Call Me Crafty Al's channel, so you can go and get it for yourself. All you need to do is be a subscriber, along with the hashtag is in my title and the description box that you can click on, and you can go and see all the other collab members videos sharing their sheetloads, and then hop on over to Instagram because there are also some collab members over there. Everyone does some amazing work, so take the time to go and see all of them. This month I used the sentiment from this Gina K Wreath Builder stamp set. I used this one. You can tell it's very well loved. Wishing you the best birthday ever. And then some This Calls for Confetti Sparkle All the Way. And then I used some retired, very old Stampin' Up paper that I don't have any left to show you. So onto my cards. Again, it does make 12. So I made 4 of 3 different designs. So there's the first one, wishing you the best birthday ever. And you can see those sparkles from the This Calls for Confetti. On the inside, I just have a strip of paper. So there's the first design, and there's the second one. And again, there's 4 of each of these, and then the last one. Again, this is another super fun one, very easy way to make a great set of cards. This would make a nice gift set or to donate, just to have on hand for your stash. So I hope that you will go ahead and try this out this month, and share with us. In the description box below are some hashtags to use if you create. We would all like to take a look at them. And until my next video, I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks so much for stopping by.